Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Redbus online bus booking app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Redbus is a travel booking app designed to make bus ticket reservations easy, fast, and reliable. It allows users to search, compare, and book tickets from thousands of private and government bus operators across India and several other countries. The app offers features like live bus tracking, digital tickets, seat selection, and 24/7 customer support, making it one of the most convenient tools for frequent travelers. It's available on both Android and iOS, with a simple interface suitable for all types of users. The app's main feature is its comprehensive bus network and real-time tracking system. You can view bus schedules, select seats, check boarding and drop-off points, and receive instant booking confirmations. Redbus also provides access to exclusive discounts, cashback offers, and payment flexibility through UPI, cards, and wallets. For added convenience, users can cancel or reschedule trips directly from the app without needing to contact operators manually. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its wide operator coverage, quick booking process, and accurate live tracking. The ability to view bus ratings and user reviews before booking adds transparency and helps in choosing quality travel options. The app also helps in managing e-tickets and travel reminders, reducing the need for printed copies or calls to bus agencies. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users have reported occasional app crashes, payment failures, or delays in refunds during peak travel times. Additionally, live tracking may not always be accurate in remote regions where GPS or internet connectivity is weak. Customer service response time can also vary depending on demand. In summary, the Redbus app may be worth using if you want a quick, easy, and reliable way to book bus tickets online with wide operator choices and digital convenience. However, if you prefer traditional counter bookings or face frequent payment issues, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.